A is for apple. A is for airplane. A is for ant. A is for alligator. A is for avocado. A is for ambulance.
Hey! You're doing awesome! Keep learning, keep smiling!
B. B is for ball. B is for bus. B is for bed. B is for banana. B is for bicycle. B is for bat. C. C is for cat. C is for car. C is for cup. C is for cow. C is for carrot. C is for clock.
Hey kids, I am Lucas. Can you laugh with me?
D. D is for dog. D is for doll. D is for drum. D is for duck. D is for donkey. D is for dolphin. E. E is for elephant. E is for eye. E is for egg. E is for ear. E is for eagle. E is for eggplant. F. F is for fish. F is for frog. F is for flower. F is for fox. F is for fork. F is for fire.
Fantastic!
G. G is for grapes. G is for giraffe. G is for guava. G is for goat. G is for guitar. G is for gorilla. H. H is for house. H is for helicopter. H is for hen. H is for hippopotamus. H is for horse. H is for hut.
Hello, my friend. Celebration for you!
I. I is for ice cream. I is for ice. I is for insect. I is for igloo. I is for iron. I is for iguana. J. J is for jug. J is for jam. J is for jeep. J is for jellyfish. J is for jelly. J is for jeans. K. K is for king. K is for kite. K is for koala. K is for kettle. K is for kiwi. K is for key. L. L is for lion. L is for lemon. L is for leaf. L is for lamp. L is for lock. L is for ladybug. M. M is for mango. M is for monkey. M is for mouse. M is for milk. M is for motorcycle. M is for mittens.
This is so much fun!
N. N is for nose. N is for nut. N is for necklace. N is for nest. N is for napkin. N is for net. O. O is for orange. O is for owl. O is for octopus. O is for onion. O is for oyster. O is for ostrich. P. P is for papaya. P is for peacock. P is for pie. P is for panda. P is for pineapple. P is for parrot.
La 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 la.
Q. Q is for queen. Q is for quail. Q is for quinoa. R. R is for rabbit. R is for raspberry. R is for rose. R is for rhinoceros. R is for ring. R is for rooster.
Hi. How are you doing? Wanted to say hi. Bye for now.
S. S is for strawberry. S is for sheep. S is for spoon. S is for shoes. S is for snake. S is for squirrel. T. T is for tiger. T is for tomato. T is for tree. T is for train. T is for table. T is for tractor. U. U is for umbrella. U is for unicorn. U is for unicycle. U is for ukulele.
Hello. 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 Bye-bye.
V. V is for van. V is for vegetables. V is for vase. V is for violin. V is for vulture. V is for volleyball. W. W is for watermelon. W is for whale. W is for window. W is for whistle. W is for wolf. W is for wheel.
Hi, friends. I am Lucas. Can we both smile together?
X. X is for xylophone. X is for X-ray. X is for Christmas tree. Y. Y is for yak. Y is for yarn. Y is for yogurt. Y is for yo-yo. Y is for yolk. Y is for yam. Z. Z is for zoo. Z is for zebra. Z is for zucchini. Z is for zero. Z is for zipper. Z is for zebu.
Hey, kiddos and parents. Hope you enjoyed the video.
Can you subscribe to our channel and hit that like button? It really, really, really helps recommend our video to other parents on YouTube. Bye-bye!
Hey, Ruby, wait for me. Bye-bye. Surprise! We're back. Thanks for watching. Can you give me a big smile before I leave?